Here is to a special man. Dad, today is all about you, your love, your laughter, and the incredible impact you've made on my life. As I celebrate another year with you, I'm grateful for the gift of having you as my father. You are not only my father, you are my best friend, my hero, and my mentor. I aspire to be like you, kind, compassionate, and generous. Here is to more adventurous. I love you more than words can express. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Bring it on, DJ. Thank you. Thank you. Ìgbà tọ́mọ ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ìwọ tó mi ò lè sí lójú àjẹ́ ni ẹ́. Ọlọ́run. I just wiped my tears now. I'm telling you. Thank you. Thank you. Ọjọ́ ọlọ́mọ máa sọ̀rọ̀ tèmi náà báyìí. God. Kí lẹ sọ? God when. Ladies and gentlemen, that's his daughter. I want to bring on stage now. That's all. All right. Thank you. But before we move on to cut the cake, Mustekima, please come on stage. Come on stage. Mustekima. Omolodun Mosai. She's all right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Our time is fast spent. So before we cut the cake, I hand over the mic to his wife.